So I'll be doing an explanation of my LabVIEW block diagram, the front panel, and the results. So this is my block diagram. I'm using the photocell to detect light, the distance, infrared sensor to detect distance in centimeters, and the sound with the it's a microphone, and then we're using these analog inputs. I have 3 of them, all in one while loop with a stop button. And then we have our logic. One second. The LabVIEW VI operates within a while loop, continuously acquiring analog signals from the myRIO. The analog input 1 sample block reads values from light, distance, and sound sensors. Each sensor is compared to a user-defined threshold using comparison functions. These comparisons produce a Boolean output representing dark, near, and loud conditions. Boolean logic blocks and OR are used to combine these signals according to the alarm logic, and a wait in milliseconds is included to regulate the loop execution, ensure stable operation. And then it has to be armed to set the alarm. There's dark, and then we're continuously streaming sound, and then we will show that example. We'll press the start to run, and then we will move to the front panel. And there you can see it's reading hello. Well, that one's kind of hard to calibrate, but here we have, if we look at the, let's stop it for a second. Look at the properties. We have an on state and an off state in a different color. So I'm pretty sure, if I remember, press run. We see this is, that one is the photocell on the top left. I have it covered right now, and it changes the voltage value. I let go, it rises, and you can see the LED, it changes to the lime green and the cyan. And then we have the infrared, the near. It basically can detect pretty accurately the distance. I have a threshold set. So when I cover it, basically we're looking at these two. This one is continuously streaming. I may need to adjust the threshold on it, but it's working. So, and then it'll set this alarm, it'll turn it red. It should. Maybe I gotta turn it on. So yeah, as long as one of the two, the near, well, hold on. So yeah, if I am covering the dark, and you see that the loud is like toggling back and forth because I need to calibrate the loudness a little bit better. And then if I cover the distance, that one is not seen. It was working. I might have to restart the program, but you get the picture. The front panel provides the user interaction, real-time monitoring. It includes